How to create custom instructions in ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Now, open the sidebar menu and tap your profile icon to access settings. Next, tap Personalization. Here, make sure Enable Customization is turned on. ChatGPT's custom instructions are available and apply across your chats. Now find the Custom Instructions field and enter information about how you want ChatGPT to respond. For example, you can type, "Keep your answers short and simple. Use step-by-step instructions and avoid unnecessary explanations." You can also tell ChatGPT about your preferences, such as your work, interests, preferred response style, or the type of answers you want. Once you've finished entering your instructions, simply leave them saved. The changes are applied immediately to your chats. Now start a new conversation and ask ChatGPT a question. It will use your custom instructions when generating its responses. That's it. You've successfully created custom instructions in ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ChatGPT and AI tutorials.